Feeling overwhelmed by affiliate marketing? Too many strategies, too many links, and no clear idea what to do first? Hi, I'm Joe Golson, and that is exactly why I created the Clarity Hub. This is not another page filled with random tactics for you to figure out alone. It is your starting point, a place where you can slow down, understand the opportunity, and begin following a clearer path. Inside the training, you'll discover practical lessons covering traffic, list building, email marketing, and the foundational skills needed to grow an affiliate business. You'll also have access to live training, step-by-step resources, and a community where you can learn from people moving along the same path. Because you do not need another overnight success promise. You need direction. You need to understand what matters now, what can wait, and what action to take next. That is how confusion becomes confidence, and confidence becomes consistent action. There are no guaranteed results here. Your progress will depend on what you learn, apply, and continue doing, but you do not have to keep guessing your way forward. Click the Start Your Free Training button below, enter your details. Take the first step, and let's replace the confusion with clarity. I'll see you inside. Stop guessing, start with clarity. Click below to start your free training.